I was enlisted into the Nigeria police with my colleagues here, left and right, on 18th May 1990, Imo State, Owerri. I was also DC Operation Zotiri Yola. That was my first initial posting after my promotion as DC. From Yola, I proceeded to Calabar as DC zone as CID assist Calabar, subsequently transferred to Commandant State Command as DC Operation for almost 2 years before my recent posting to Imahia and to Owerri, where I became a commissioner of police. Before then, of course, I was an area commander at Dambata, Kano State. I was area commander at Hoda in River State. I was AC operations in Bauchi State, respectively. And in my career, I have served as DPO in various formations nationwide. From 27 March 2000 till I became an assistant commissioner of police, I have been DPO in my different capacities, different places. I don't want to mention names. Courses I attended several courses, both local and foreign. I attended Advanced Detective Course, Intermediate Command Course ICC 54 2007, Strategic and Leadership Command Course 5 2008. 18, not 8. They wrote 8 here. 2018. 2018. Divisional Management Team Course, Community Safety Partnership Course, Justice for All, that is DFDI, under British Embassy. So under that community British Justice for All, we have undergone Community Policy Strategy Perspective. That's what we call Community Safety Partnership. That's where I specialize in community policing. Because you can't ensure safety of a community without community involvement. We have community safety partnership. In order to ensure safety of any given community, you need the partnership of all relevant critical stakeholders. All relevant, both state and non-state actors. You need their cooperation, you need their engagement, you need their collaboration. You need synergy of other sister security agencies for an effective service delivery. So as we come to Abia, that is my vision and my mission. I seek for proactive security, synergy and support from both state and non-state actors, as well as all relevant critical stakeholders. That is my message to Abians. I am seeking for security support, proactive security support, and synergy from the state actors, non-state actors, as well as all other relevant critical holders for us to deliver our mandate to ensure safety and security in Abia. And I cannot do that without necessary support and collaboration with the critical holders of the Abia State. So I will very soon talk to officers and men to mobilize them. I have already hit the ground. I'm not going anywhere. I have already hit the ground. I want to just start the work. That's why I come with my family, settle down, and embark on confidence building to assure the public of their safety. That's the message I have. As we go back, please, you should be our good ambassadors. You should be our mirror. While you are a watchdog to the society, you should be our mirror. Portray us in good light, not in bad light. Wherever we are ready to listen to you. When you're back, we know that, yes, society is backing us. So now watch very well and say, yes, the watchdog of the society is, as you rightly said, the watchdog is backing us. What is wrong? We will adjust ourselves by your grace. But we need the support of everybody, including you, the press. I'm press friendly. My doors are open. I want to assure you that at any time, even the windows are open. I run an open door policy, so please, I want the press to be my best friends. I will give you my numbers for effective communication. I can be reached on 080 8662 080 8662 4444 080 8662 4444. I repeat, 080 8662 4444. Then I have it Salatu. You can reach me out. 081 784 7846 7846 5555. The first one is 080 8662 4444. The second one is 081 7846 5555. As you come back here, I wish you journeymates, and God bless you all.